Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KWBT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, the wild ride on this one continues, and the key dynamic here that needs to be kept in mind, and this is always the funny part. I don't mean funny in a like cruel way, but just in a way of you can always tell kind of who is doesn't really have much of a strategy and understanding. But it's all about this trend line here. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But I've talked about this trend line time and time again, and have made comments how, yeah, nobody said it's been a smooth ride per se. But when the dust has settled, the trend has continued. What do I mean by smooth ride? Well, there's a big move up. That was a big move back down. Fantastic recovery. Really bad pullback. Beautiful recovery. And then more recently, a pretty nasty pullback. But after today, once again, the price not only recovered, but it went to new highs. So yeah, it's been a big roller coaster, but within the grand scheme of things, everything has occurred above this trend line. That, like I said, this all means a little bit more to those of you that if you've watched the past videos. But I put this trend line into play, and ever since then, it's been ups and downs, but this has all happened within the context of occurring up above an uptrending trend line. Therefore, everything is still perfectly bullish. So yes, even right now, I get it. The price did pull back, so the highs went right there, and then the price has pulled back. So overall, though, that pullback, I mean, it matters, but it doesn't really matter because there's been tons of other pullbacks. There's a pullback, there's a pullback, there's a pullback, there's a pullback. And as long as these pullbacks stay up above that overall arching trend line, then you have to give the overall advantage to the bulls. So just keep that in mind going forward that, as wild as it can get, just always, continue to ask yourself, well, where is all this taking place relative to that trend line? And as long as it's above the trend line, then the bulls are still in full control of the trend. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level going to be right up here around 0.054, give or take a little bit. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What matters the most is that the price just continues to build those higher lows and sit back above that trend line as it's been doing. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.